So good morning everyone. My name is Fatma Gerfeli and I will be taking care of this first session of the genomics module, in which I will be presenting, so the name of the session is Sequencing Technologies and NGS Overview, and I will be presenting here an overview of past and present sequencing technologies for DNA and how the next generation sequencing has revolutionized the field of DNA sequencing. So let's have a first look at the learning objectives of today's session. There are 5 parts in this first session. Part 1 will be an introduction to DNA sequencing. Then we will see how the approaches and technologies for DNA sequencing have completely changed in the next generation sequencing era. In part 3, we will be having an overview of these NGS technologies, or at least some of these. And then in part 4 and 5, we will be covering the 2 essential phases of a DNA-seq analysis, which are first the generation of the library, so this will be covered in part 4, and then the analysis of the pipeline itself in part 5, as well as the associated file formats for each of the steps. So what you will hopefully learn at the end of the day is the basis and the basics of NGS technologies, also to understand the different NGS file formats that are associated to each step of the analysis, and you will also hopefully get to know a bit of the database repositories and how to navigate through these repositories in order to retrieve NGS datasets. So that's it for that first introductory video, and see you for part 1.